Sounds of a logical progression. As we push the door open with the rhythmatical key. To elevate your thoughts is our intention. Systematically showing you where you gotta be. Enhance your musical extensions. Let the music enhance engulf your nervous system. Arms start twitching, suddenly you're twisting. Legs start sliding across the floor like ice skates. We stakes that your thoughts take. Debate, it's inevitable. Possession eminent, feelings relevant. Beats fatter than elephant as I represent. Over the deeper, meaningful, musical, spiritual. Can you hear it? All strings cascade over mine like a waterfall. Splash, hi-hats crash, cymbals vibrate, devastate. It's the gate, infiltrate with the acetate. The DJ delivers, time to make you shiver down your back wall. Make the strongest mic quiver from the bass tone. It's just the state of mind of those who hear it. Some fear it and some use it to your advantage. Like who you hear it, the extraordinary, unbelief phenomena. Drum and bass, so taste the future, cause you're riding on the whistle. Uptime and a trial and elimination, composed systematically. And interpretation, anticipation and hesitation, one and the same. We strive to be different, opposite to simple and plain. Because we can't be no copycat, cause then we're not feeling a sound that's original. And there's no point in that exact, well yeah, precisely. Philosophize with the rhyme, well I might be CA getting off lightly if you don't feel the presence. As we break to the essence that our missile hits. So count your blessings, your mind was stretching like a rubber band. Logical progression got the upper hand, so understand. Supply, demand. As I flip the script with the mic in my hand.
Good ride, but cold and windy.